So you're probably thinking of buying one of the hottest crossovers today, guys. And you're in the right place because today we're going to be talking about the 2024 Kia Sonet and it's all of its variants basically explained. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Ronnie from Project Gentleman. We're here. We love to talk about the things that help us win in life. So we hope that you enjoy this variant comparison of the Kia Sonet. Okay. So first of all, let me start with all, thank you so much, guys, for all of your support. And let's just begin with the variants and all of their prices. Okay. So right here, we can see that from the top of the line until the manual version, from the lowest to the highest, guys, the Kia Sonet is really very well priced by the marketing of Kia right here. And if just take note, guys, as of the making of this video, this is the price, but always consult your dealership. But ito yung ano niya, guys. I just noticed that Kia did something very interesting here. Before, hindi pa ganito yung mga prices niya, guys. Magkakaiba po yan. I think that you're gonna add a little bit more if you want the two-tone version of each of these models. But now, guys, I have noticed that they have made the same prices now for the two-tone. Whether you get the two-tone or the monotone, you will just pay for the same price. So I'm not sure about that, but maybe it's a good thing for those who want the black top. And for those who don't want it, it doesn't matter. Still, you're going to be paying the same price as the two tone version. But it's going to be a bit different, of course, with the automatic transmission and the manual transmission because ito yung kagandahan kay Kia Sonet. They have a manual version or a manual transmission option for the lowest variant or the entry level. So for the dimensions, guys, you basically have the same for all of your variants from lowest to the top. You only have the same dimensions, which is really good, right? Same wheelbase, ground clearance, amazing ground clearance, guys, 205 millimeters, very awesome. And then for the fuel tank capacity as well, same for all variants. Now, for your color options, guys, take note that you get to enjoy this white, red, and blue color options, both for monotone and black top or, the two tone. But you only have this olive green or the army green color option for only for the top of the line. So if you really want this, you need to get the top of the line. Okay, now let's talk about the engine. All right, for the engine of the Kia Sonet, from the top of the line to the base model, you still have the same uh, displacement, which is 1.5 liter, and then you also have the same output and torque actually for uh, for all of the variants. And this is also amazing because it's the same for the manual and the IVT version. Okay, so that's really awesome. All right, let's get back to that. Okay, now for the warranty as well, it's very awesome that you get 5 years for all of the variants of the Kia Sonet. You have a peace of mind. And then for your wheels, guys, I like what Kia did here. From the top of the line to the base model, you get to enjoy 16-inch two-tone alloy wheels. That's something that you don't see normally in the car industry, right? Only the top of the line usually gets a much bigger um, sized wheels. But for the even you when you get the entry level, you still get the 16-inch two-tone alloy wheels. Okay. By the way, that's the same design as well, guys. It's the same design for the two-tone. Unlike the other brands or other competitors, yung mga lower na mga variants hindi ganun kaganda kasi ganda nung top of the line. But dito talaga is I really like what Kia did here. Okay, which speaks for the ground clearance as well. You have 205 millimeters, very good for like flood prone areas. And then for let's start with the lowest variant, guys. The LX, and I'm referring for the price here is the automatic. Okay, take note na lang kanina yung manual transmission price. You can just go back to it. But for your standard features, this is what you get. Okay, very awesome, right? immobilizer, security alarm, ISOFIX, and 5-year warranty. You have ABS, and then for your LX lowest variant, guys, you have the manual option, which is a good thing for those who really love the manual. Okay, and then reverse camera comes standard and parking sensors as well. You have keyless entry, guys, and watch this. You have this cruise control, which is really mind blowing to me. The lowest variant gets a cruise control, guys. That's one of the major advantages of the Kia Sonet, especially the base model. And you have 8-inch infotainment screen as well with wire. Sorry, this is not wireless. This wired CarPlay and Android Auto. You want the wireless? It's the SX or the top of the line. Okay, now the con of the LX naman, guys, for the base model of Sonet is wala siyang hill start assist. This a bit really very unfortunate. You don't have that, especially that you have a manual transmission. I think that this is gonna be really handy. Then you have only matte black yung kanyang front grille dito. If you can see on the reviews, glossy yung sa higher variants, but for the lowest, you only have matte black. You don't have DRS, guys, and then you only have halogen headlights as well and halogen fog lamps. No power folding side mirrors, very unfortunate. And then no roof rails. Walang roof rails yan, guys. And then keyless entry naman siya, but yung keyless entry niya is you don't have a remote start unlike the higher variants. Okay, as you can see right here, I'm showing you a picture of our review from the top of the line Sonet. Ganyan yung itsura pag may DRL siya. Walang ganito si LX, yung lowest variant, walang ganyan, which turns into a turn signal sana. But yeah, you don't have the you only have halogen, and then you don't have the roof rails, but at least you get the very nice wheels, right? And then you don't have this again the roof rails right here, and then you don't have the spoiler din pala, guys. You don't have a spoiler for the LX variant. No push start button. No rear straight line, yung kanyang amazing na straight line strip dun sa likod, wala siya nun. Hindi rin 60/40 yung kanyang folding seats, fully folded siya. No height adjustment for the driver seat and no stability control as well, which is I think mag-ingat ka lang talaga, huwag ka lang mag-banking-banking. No speed sensing door locks, sayang din, and only 2 airbags. So basically, you still get a very good amount of value for the LX variant. Yan. Wala ka niyan, you don't have this spoiler and you don't have this right here. You won't have this, guys. Now let's go to the mid variant, the EX variant of the Sonet. That's the price. What comes in standard is the reverse camera and the parking sensors as well. You have that. By the way, you also have this for the lowest variant. Reverse camera and parking sensor comes standard. The difference with the EX versus the LX is itong glossy black front grille, like I mentioned a while ago. Ganyan din, glossy din to for the top of the line. So for the mid variant, you get black lining yung windows niya, and then remote engine start na po siya, guys, which is really good. So cruise control, you also have that. Now you have roof rails. Still, you have 8-inch infotainment screen, and still you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Still, guys, sa SX ang pala tong wireless, guys. Pasensya na kayo. Push start button siya, keyless entry, and then second row armrest with cup holders na din. Same rin din naman with the LX and the top of the line. And then silver accents lang talaga yung kanyang AC vents. Urethane lang yung steering wheel niya, guys. Tilt only. Not padded yung kanyang armrest. Okay? With the top of the line, yun, may padded na yun. But for the mid and the lower variants, you don't have paddings on the side armrest. Medyo, ano yan, nakakapanghinayang yun. Kasi ano rin yan eh. Para sa akin importante rin sana yun. So, black fabric seats lang, no wireless charging, rotary yung kanyang AC controls compared to dial type to the higher variant, the top of the line. No hill start assist din, guys. Ito medyo disappointing lang. Walang hill start assist. Even the mid variant, you don't have that. Then only 2 airbags lang din. Then wala ka ring stability control and no speed sensing door locks. That's very, very Sad. So now let's go to the top of the line, the best of the best Kia Sonet. If you want the full features, you need to get this one. Still, you have this thing standard, guys, like similar to the one a while ago. And then olive green color option, meron ka at least. Then ito, pinakamalaking selling point talaga for the top of the line is the sunroof. Amazing, right? I know a lot of you guys like a sunroof. And then for me, this is what I personally love, the brown leather seats. I really love the aesthetics of the brown leather seats. Meron ka pang wireless charging, a much bigger 10.25 um, infotainment screen. Okay? 10.25 inches. And then dito na, wireless Apple CarPlay pa. Okay? Dial type, like I mentioned, single zone automatic control. Glossy black accents on the AC vents compared dun sa silver sa AC vents ng mid variant or the lower variants. Then meron siyang chrome lining dyan sa windows niya. Meron na din siyang hill start assist na wala yung lower variants. Speed sensing door locks, meron na din siya guys with, like I said, second row armrest with cup holders. That's how it looks like. Okay, the olive green color option and the brown leather seats. I really love it, guys. Okay, very nice. And then still you have ano naman, which is good, second row vents. And then you have the sunroof, right? Then this one is the wireless charging right here, the charging pad. This is what you get. And then this is what the key looks like, right? And then, like I said, it's leather right here, leather steering wheels. But take note, guys, tilt lang yan, guys. And then you have the very large infotainment screen, dial type, cruise control, yan, which you get with the other variants naman, even to the lowest one. And then the very biggest thing that you pay for the highest or the top of the line is the Kia DriveWise or yung driver aids. Okay, lane keep assist, lane follow assist, forward collision avoidance. I really like that. Downhill brake control, very nice, and high beam assist para hindi ano yung ano natin, kaengkwentro natin sa daan. Then driver attention warning then. It really gives you some warnings as a driver. The downside lang talaga for me overall with the highest top of the line is only two airbags lang siya. Nakakaano lang, two airbags, sayang talaga to. And then tilt only yung kanyang steering wheels. And then steel wheels lang din yung kanyang spare tire, donut lang. And then lastly, wala siyang defoggers. Yan yung itsura, spare tire niya. You need to change right away. Di rin naman siya meant to be driven for a long time. So you really need to find kung saan ka pwede magpalit ng gulong. So yeah, basically overall guys, those are the differences of the Kia Sonet variants. Let me know in the comment section which parts did you like or did not like, which do you wish could have been there. I hope that this video has helped you guys. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that when we seek God first, that's when we truly win in life. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao.